So we start off today's video with this haircut transformation. Ooh, gorgeous pixie undercut. I really like the design in the back. This is such an edgy and modern style. I absolutely adore it. I really like the color for this as well, and it also features swoop bangs in the front to frame out her face. Very cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more haircut ideas, options that you can play around with this season. Here we have the transformation to this gorgeous lob. This is a beautiful shoulder length bob style. The color looks really nice as well. And overall, this style just looks very effortless and chic. So then we move on to the next haircut idea. So she starts off with shoulder length hair. Stylist looks like he's going to be doing a bob haircut for this one. Now this particular haircut looks like it's quite short, maybe like a mini bob. Oh, wow. So I would say that this is probably more of like a pixie bob style. Very popular that we're seeing this season. Very popular style that we are seeing this season. A lot of women are gravitating towards the pixie bobs because they feature the best of both worlds. So it looks like we have an undercut pixie style here. Gorgeous asymmetrical shape. And then we have another Pixie bob variation. So this one is a little bit longer than the previous one, but it still features elements of both a bob and a pixie style. Then we see someone with shoulder-length hair, and she transformed the hair to this beautiful bob. I really like the subtle color that was added as well. Very pretty. And then we have this face framing pixie style. The stylist did a great job of adding some volume and height with this. Ooh, I really like the stylist hair. So she's rocking this really cute pixie with some purple mixed in. And it looks like for this style, she's just pretty much cutting the client's ends, giving a little bit of some body with the layers. Very nice. So I hope that you guys were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.